delicious. We have a store to have crispy chicken. Oh, their prices put up. I have Samir, my nephew. We have some chicken too. For my sauces, I have cheese and sauce. That's me. Crispy chicken. Okay, first we're gonna break, then we're gonna get to the mukbang. Yeah. We got these for the baby. We got them. Stop showing them. We got some chicken for the baby, not that. Okay. Okay. Put your hands up. Pop this pile. Pile. This. Put your hands up to the camera. And pile like this. We praying. Alright. Hello, you guys. Okay. Okay. Today, amen. Amen. Too hot. Let this cool off. This is for the baby. I got one for the baby right here. I'm gonna let that cool off. These little strips right here. You see that smoking? Wow, nice and crispy. Alright. Hey. Dang, that's a piece. Yeah. That's a big piece. That's a big piece. Delicious. Where's the popcorn? Popcorn. And off the fridge. I mean, freezer. Why here, my get him out of here. Well, baby, came over and eat some chicken. You gotta get a little straight so you won't choke. Stop it. Let me make this. Sit over here. Dang, he just stuffed that in his mouth. That's how I know he really hungry now. Yeah. Oh.
Where are you going? Put your feet up here, Summer, so I can be more comfortable. Oh, you're going crazy.
He tearing that chicken up. Oh, this is so bomb.
Good chicken, but not better.
Laughing on you with this shit. Get it straight. Cooking napkins. I'm gonna go get some tissue. Watch the baby.
So I won't touch the tassels.
Blue cheese.
Don't let him get too messy.
Blue cheese. It say dressing, but already found the refrigerator, so.
Why wouldn't I see?
It tastes like regular blue cheese to me. Just don't stream like that. We're doing a mukbang.
Yeah, 8 more. 8 more. Let's give him some more sprints.
Oh.
That's the bun.
Good eyes. Huh? Oh, look at that crispy.
Ah.
balloons right here.
What?
I'm not about to keep throwing no balloons over.
No! Jet tripping. Jet tripping. Saying stop, Jet.
You gotta take it right here, huh, baby?
No, I did try and get some of my sauce. No, that was a bone, nigga. You crazy. Go get your body. Like and comment, hit that bell.
Put the pot back in the refrigerator. I mean, in the freezer.
Yeah. Hit that bell, y'all. Subscribe to Sightmare. No, Sightmare with me and Grace. Subscribe to
No.
3 of us. You subscribe? And 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's another piece in here. I'm putting this inside. I'm about to get this one, baby.
Dang, I don't even got no more. I'm telling y'all that so y'all, my brother has a dirt bike. We ain't gonna talk about it.
Jojo, please. Don't tell him nothing.